Friends, so nga pala si Peter at quick video lang tayo sa repair ng front bumper cover ng Peugeot 3008.
2022 Peugeot 3008 collision repair of front bumper cover. So ang gagawa pala ng damage sa front bumper cover ay si Sir Matt, ang ating chief technician. Unang gagawin ni Sir Matt dito ay removal ng left hand and right hand front wing trim ng Peugeot 3008. Sabi dito it has 10 bolts and clips kabilaan. Ito ang unang step para ma-dismantle ang pinaka front bumper cover ng Peugeot 3008. After mabaklas ang front wing trims, second is removing the front bumper cover. Sabi dito it has more than 10 bolts and clips. Marami ding wirings dito sa loob ng front bumper cover ng Peugeot 3008 pero maayos naman natin itong na-dismantle dahil din sa ating repair manual. At hindi na repairable ang na-damage niyang front bumper is pinilitan natin ito ng genuine brand new. So proceed naman tayo sa ating painting procedure. Una, plastic primer, primer surfacer, base coat, and clear coat. And after ng painting, papatuyuin naman natin ito sa ating infrared heater. After mag-base coat and clear coat application, proceed naman tayo sa assembly. Sa assembly, reverse procedure lang din yung gagawin natin. Una, front bumper cover, and then ang next natin is front wing trim naman. So habang ina-assemble ito nila Sir Matt, pakita ko na sa inyo ang finished product. Hope you like it. Please like, follow, and share.